UMLE ke VPP na nongkram ba Ardent mele ba seomot ha kasi ba ar ulapan ya ka Kyrteng jong barok ki Kynhun bat Riew Shimet ki ba yo Jaka na ka Sorkar hadin ba menteri ketenat revenue ba Khuborjylla ula pentip ba kidan ar hajar saus pa ar pun Riew teli ki Jaka Sorkar ba ai ki Kynhun bat Riew Shimet Shwa kani menteri ulayat hu ba ki Kynhun ki ba yo ya ka Jaka na ka Sorkar ki Kyntup nadu ki Kynhun niam kam halang ki Jaka sa badru ki Jaka ban khai pateng nalor kiwe hakani kamat ya tai la shim bentaru da bon ngut ki MLA kan thop nadu unong elam kaliang persha MLA maulai MLA nong thamai MLA mau ringkneng bat kiwe
May I know from the Honorable Minister, is it a fact that huge plot of government land at Forest Colony Shillong is occupied by individuals who are not employees of Forest Department? If yes, the names of such persons.
I don't have the details, sir. I apologize for this.
Ardent, please. Your last question, I think.
No,
already four.
Just cause 3.
No, 4. Already 4.
Please, sir.
The last one.
Okay, sir, I have, because I just wanted to, this is not a question, a clarification on the reply of the minister, sir. Because in the course of his reply, when I asked about the rate, he's mentioned about the encroached land. Encroached land and the rate of those encroached land. But what I want exactly is the lease, the rate of lease of these revenue lands, sir. A very simple question, sir. Before I ask my last question, sir.
Sir, the rate of lease as of now, I don't have it with me, so I misplaced it, so I apologize for this.
So my last question is the rule allow construction of permanent buildings on such government lands?
Pardon, sir?
Is the rule allow for construction of permanent building on government lands, such government lands?
Yes, sir. It's allowed to.
By the lessee.
Yes, it's allowed, sir, to construct building, permanent building.
Kaplan, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Revenue, what group of people are entitled to cut their revenue land?
There's no group of people, organization, you mean, sir? Any organization, recognized organizations.
No, any group of people, individual or organization?
Yes, sir. Individuals also are entitled, even organizations also are entitled, sir.
No, what type of people, sir?
They should belong to the state of Meghalaya, and they should belong to the, should be of Indian, they should be, sir.
So, one more question, sir. How much of land has been allocated as revenue land is available in the state?
Sir, the total area allotted to lessee, included government department, is 372.9468 hectares approximately, sir. And the total area available in the government land or revenue plot in Shillong is 381.9468 hectares, sir.
Charles, please.
Sir, regarding the transfer of land by way of transfer or lease, a particular rate is fixed by the Deputy Commissioner Revenue. So may I know, sir, when was the last revision made to ascertain the rate of land as a rate to be paid by the leasing for transfer or lease. When was the last revision made by the Deputy Commissioner Revenue?
I don't have the detail with me, sir, but the revenue collected, I do have the list, but the date for that, I don't have it, sir, as of now. I require notice.
Sir, Honorable Minister doesn't have the reply now. The reason I raised this, sir, is because as of today, there may be transfers being made legally through the department, but the rates which are applicable are almost 10, 15 years old. So thereby, if we revise the rates on a continuous basis, what happens is a fair price is maintained, and even the revenue of the state also improves. Therefore, I would request the Honourable Minister to kindly look into this matter so that when rates are fixed, it is in consonance with the present fair market price.
Yes, sir, point noted, but it's been almost 5 years since the date, the rate was, the assessment was last, it's been done by the DC East Khasinews.